Good night. This is my presentation for the subject English 3. Let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Barrios. I am 33 years old. I am a student of marketing and advertising in the Pan American University or Compensar University. I work for the Caja Social Bank. I am an integral advisor. Uh, I have been working in my activity for 7 years, very years. Uh, my family is not that large. My two parents, my mother, Miriam Rueda, she is a fashion designer, very good fashion designer. And my father, Leonardo Barrios, is the driver of public of the service. Eh, I have a sister, Melissa. Melissa Barrios. She is a veterinarian and all day she is with animals, taking care of them and curing them. Good person, very good person, my sister. Mm, I have a son, Tomás. Tomás Daniel Barrios. He is 7 years old and lives abroad, more precisely in Barcelona, Spain. Currently a first grade student. Lastly, I would like to introduce my grandparents. They are on my mother's side, Daniel Rueda, Daniel Rueda Olarte, who was a farmer. And my grandmother, Dora Perez, was a prestigious teacher. Good teacher, my grandmother. The parents of my father, Leonardo, this is Gonzalo Barrios, dedicated for the milk trade, and the Ericinda Dragon, who was a housewife. Gonzalo, Ericinda, Leonardo, Miriam, Dora, Daniel, Miriam. Okay. Mm, let's see. I love my family very much. I make plans almost every weekend with them, in addition to the fact that the future and several business especially with my father. Mm, okay, good night, bye bye.